Hello friends, myself Sushil Kumar and you are watching your favorite channel Connecting Life Towards Success. Today we will discuss first and most important topic of Indian polity, संविधान की प्रस्तावना, preamble of Indian Constitution. For understanding basis, we will divide into two parts. First is introduction and second is complete detail. It's a 10x faster way to learn, fast forever, with the help of concept learning. After watching this video, I can assure you, you will never forget the concept. Let's start with introduction of preamble. What is preamble and how does it became part of Indian Constitution? Preamble derived from Latin word preambulus, to go full. The idea of preamble taken from USA and language from Australia. It's a blueprint which reflect its nature and objective. Preamble was presented as an objective resolution in third meeting of Constitutional Assembly by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and called it soul of Constitution, संविधान की आत्मा. Finally adopted on 26 November 1949 in Indian Constitution, hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. Only one amendment happened till date, which was 42nd Amendment Section 2 in 1976. As a result, three words added to the preamble: social, secular, integrity. We call it SIS. Now we learn the preamble with the concept of role model for the society. So it's just a trick for a concept building. जो मैंने यूज किया लर्न करने के लिए, मुझे इजीली लर्न भी हुआ और मैं आज तक इसको नहीं भूला. वही ट्रिक मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रहा हूं. सो क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई वी कॉल द पोस्ट ऑफ डॉक्टर एंड जज आर रोल मॉडल फॉर द सोसाइटी? व्हाई? बिकॉज इट्स नेचर. द नेचर ऑफ पोस्ट इज सोवरेन, सोशल, सेकुलर, प्रभुत्व संपन्न, सामाजिक, पंथ निरपेक्ष. सो द नेचर ऑफ अ पोस्ट इज sober, social, secular. On the other hand, they always pass on the message to the society to live equally, friends, with dignity, unity, for integrity of the nation. So we can say in just three steps. Here the concept is doctor and judge are the post which are the role model for the society. Why it is role model for the society? Because it's nature. Nature is sober, social, secular. So we can say sober, social, secular, doctor and judge says live equally, friends, with dignity and unity for integrity of the nation. You can repeat it again. Sober, social, secular, doctor and judge says live equally, friends, with dignity and unity for integrity of the nation. So three steps. First, sober, social, secular, doctor and judge says live equally, friends, with dignity and unity. Third, integrity of the nation. So here we explain each and every word in the slides. Sober, sovereign. Social, socialist. Secular, secular. Doctor, democratic. D, democratic. R, republican. Judge, for justice. Live, liberty. Equally, equality. Friends, fraternity. Friends, fraternity. बंधुता and integrity. If we see the in Hindi, sovereign संप्रभुत्व, socialist समाजवादी, secular पंथ निरपेक्ष, democratic लोकतांत्रिक, and republic गणराज्य, justice न्याय, liberty स्वतंत्रता, equality समानता, fraternity बंधुता और integrity अखंडता. So it's a simple trick to memorize forever. Simple. Sober, social, secular, doctor and judge says live equally, friends, with dignity and unity for integrity of the nation. Sober, social, secular, doctor and judge says live equally, friends, with dignity and unity for integrity of the nation. In this slide, we also mentioned some foreign source from where these words we have taken. We have taken four words from French Revolution: republic, liberty, equality and fraternity. These four words we have taken from the French Revolution, and one word justice we have taken from the Russian Revolution. And we also highlighted the 3 point: socialist, secular and integrity with asterisk. Why? Because these are the three words which was added to our preamble in 1976 by the 42nd Amendment. So thank you so much for your patience listening and watching my channel Connecting Lives Towards Success. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.